this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to join a voice chat or a party chat on your PlayStation 5 using the phone app. And this is really easy to do. You can get this from the Google Play or the Apple Store. And just go to PlayStation app, PS app, type that in, sign in with your email address and password. Then on the home screen, all you have to do is scroll on down from the top. And any available parties, you will go ahead and see. Just swipe through the right, and you can see previous parties. Otherwise, you can go to the little headset icon right here, and you can start an open party, a closed party, and then invite your friends. So if you do have a party that's open, you should be able to just select it and then join it. Otherwise, you can go to one of your message groups and click into that. And once you're in the message group, you should be able to start the party by going up to the little chat icon on the top right. So just press this. And sometimes this application can be slow, so just give it some time. And you should be able to just start a party when you go ahead and select that. Start party. Then everyone's going to automatically be sent an invite. And this is the way I prefer to start a party on my PlayStation 5. And then I don't have to invite anyone, but it's still a closed party, and anyone in that message group can go ahead and join. Then you can mute your microphone right here. You can add people, you can leave, you can change the speakers, and you can unmute. So if you select speakers, it's going to be played over the speakers on your phone instead of you have to hold it up to your ear and stuff. And here's the party settings in the upper right. You can change the party limit, etc. And you should be good to go. So it's very easy to use this. You can maybe connect to people in your car while you're driving and they're playing their games. So that's probably my favorite way to just listen in on my friends and hear what's going on. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.